What's going on, guys? Today you're going to learn what is a Black Friday early access pop-up and how does it help you make a lot more money this holiday season. If you're new to this channel, I'm here to share with you what worked, what didn't work, and what we're actively doing to scale email and SMS marketing for e-commerce brands. That's the only thing we do on this channel. I'm not selling you anything. I'm just here to find top-tier talent, new opportunities, and growing my network. If you like to grow your email and SMS marketing, please subscribe to this channel. Like if you want to leave a like and comment any questions down below. All right, let's jump right in. So today, I'm giving you free templates that you can use for your BFCM early access. This will help you collect users for BFCM and get those customers early dibs and make early money from BFCM. This is something that every store pretty much should do. Easy money. It's going to be a lot more competitive on Black Friday and that week. So what you'll get here is a Figma file with a BFCM early access pop-up and a success page. Also a BFCM early access success email, which I'll show you how we integrate, and also a BFCM early banner that you can add to your core flows. If you want to grab all those things, you have a link right there. Here, this blue link, click it. You can literally make a copy, duplicate, and change it, modify it, and do whatever you want with it. All right, let's jump right in. So this is a pop-up that you want to launch somewhere between October and November. Why between October and November? Different stores have different buying cycles, different objectives. What it does actually, it helps you collect customers, email, phone numbers, names, all of it, some of it, whatever you need, before Black Friday to create the hype, okay? So this is a pop-up that you can embed right on a page, let's say on your website, like if you're Nike.com, it could be Nike.com/BFCM. Once somebody joins that page or clicks that page, they see this. Be the first to access our Black Friday deals. Want to be brand, right? We made it editable, brand VIP this Black Friday season. Join the VIP list today and get early access to new product launches and the biggest deals of the year. All right, they give you the name, email, phone number, or both. And then they get a success page after they click join the VIP list. You're officially a Black Friday VIP, right? And I put some copy, feel free to change this. Once they're done with signing up, there's an email that will come out. This is another great opportunity basically to A, let them know what they signed up for, and also B, give them maybe a discount to even shop earlier. They can even shop today. So start adding your favorite items to the cart, those pieces you've been eyeing for a while, and you know, you can tell them and get a special 10% off today even if you want to shop early. That's the whole goal, make early sale off of Black Friday hype. Also, another piece that you'll have here, so you have the pop-ups, you have this success early access email, and also this banner that you can put inside of all of your core flows. What are core flows? It's your welcome, site abandonment, browse abandonment, and abandoned checkouts. All right, what does it look like? Is this little banner, okay, you just add it onto your email. So let's say this is your email, this is your welcome flow. You want to add it between the logo and the hero image. So it's going to be here. And what it does, it actually rotates. It's like a GIF. And people can click it to join the VIP list. So they click and then they go into, again, that page right here that basically lets them sign up for those deals. Once they sign up, they get this email and you can basically start selling them early. Now you can send this immediately after signing up, but also give them access to cool stuff up until Black Friday. All of those customers are warm and they like your brand. Otherwise, they wouldn't sign up. And you can send them VIP early access sales, new product releases, ask them questions. What products do you want to see next? You know, there's so much you can do. These are your VIP, Black Friday VIP customers. Sell to them, ask them questions, like survey them, collect important information. You can create segments off of that. So much you can do from that segment. So today you can basically start rolling this out for your brand and make money, guys. Again, you can make a copy of this by duplicating this Figma file right here. And if it's the first time that you see this content planner for BFCM, it's an editable content planner completely for free. You can also grab a copy of it right here. Okay, click here and make a copy. Make a copy and you should be all set. This is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to drop it in the comments down below. Let me know what other videos you want to see. and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.